Alright, the weld through primer is all dry. As you can see by the photos in this film, with those steps, it creates a good welding surface, but it also creates a really strong weld. It's not going to burn through. That little crease going along this edge and up gives a little bit more rigidity so it won't warp. So we're going to go ahead and start welding. I like to start off on all four corners and then tack in spots along the way. Keep some warpage down to a minimum. We're going to get started on this. I think I showed you on the last one, but that was a hole, that was a rust spot, and that's a rust spot. The body's still not straight. You can see got a fairly good bend in it. I'm going to be okay with that. I just want it to look nice. It can look rugged because it is a military vehicle. To me, it doesn't have to look perfect. I want it to be one color. I want it to be rust-free-ish. Thing about rust is it's like cancer. I'm going to do my best to get rid of all that, but short of stripping all this and seeing what's underneath it, we're going to be in for some, not surprises, but I won't be surprised if it happens. How's that? So we're going to start there. I'm going to get to work. Alright, I finished welding that patch panel in. Came out really nice. I took a couple stills I'll upload to this video as well. But you can see there's hardly any warpage on that bad boy at all. It's all solid welding. Unlike here, whoever put this in, like, skipped here, skipped there, skipped there. I like to fully weld, you know, to each their own, I guess. He was having some heck of a time. For all I know, this is with a stick rod and an oxy-acetylene torch. You know, you never know. And I never down anybody for their labors. I also, I know I've done some shit back in my day where I'd be like, damn, dude, what are you doing? But your skills improve. And the only way to improve them is to work them. So I'm really happy with this. I'm going to grind it. I'm tired. I did pick up my pew-pew. I'll show you some pictures of that. I might go shooting tomorrow instead of welding on this. I know that's half my problem is I get sidetracked pretty quickly. But we'll see. We'll see. You got to test out the new pew-pew. You have to. But this thing won't ever get done if I don't do it. But I've been pretty hammering on it first of the year. My goal, and it's a big goal, is I want this ready by Memorial. If not, I want it done by Memorial Weekend, if not Veterans Day in September. I would be kind of disappointed in myself if it was Veterans Day, because I think I can get this done by Memorial. It's not that bad off. Now, if I come up with a messed up transmission, I already tested it, seems to run fine. But if I come up with something major, then it is what it is. But I have the skill. I can do it. As long as I get off my ass and do it, it'll get done by Memorial. So with all that said, let me get on some grinding. I'll shoot you some pictures of that. And then I might call today done. And then tomorrow I'll sand this whole back end out. Oh, shoot. I was picking up my pew-pew, right? I knew there was something I wanted to do out there. I was like, I'm out in town. What do I want? What was I going to get? I was going to get body filler. So I can grind and fill this whole seam here. Clean that up. Clean all this up. Because I am out. This is gone. She's empty. It works really well. I'm happy with it. But I am out. So I guess I'll be going out in the morning. Our farmers market doesn't open up on Sunday. Oh, it's a Sunday farmers market, but they're closed all of January. So I don't even have that to look forward to. So I'll be going out, grabbing some body filler, coming back and putting in work on this. I have decided to keep that bullet hole. I just think it's kind of cool. You know what? If I go shooting on tomorrow, I'm gonna try to duplicate that shot. I have some body panels from other vehicles in my backyard. I have a door. I'm gonna kind of duplicate that. I might even have to take my M1 Grand out just to kind of get the right size going. That'd be kind of interesting. All right, enough talking. Start grinding. All right, that's all welded, ground down, ready for plastic filler, Bondo. I still got to work on that corner and that corner, but I believe I'm gonna grind this whole section here, all this weld mark right there where that old hole was, where my patch panel is, this entire patch panel that was here when I got it, and then my new patch panel. I'm gonna plastic filler that, get that straight to where I'm happy, and then prime it. It will just be easier and more efficient if I do that on the car lift, because I don't want to. Yeah, there you go. I don't want to do it laying on my back with weld slag falling on my face. I have a car lift. Why not use it? Put it about right here on my eye level. I can cut it. I can do what I got to do without stuff falling. It'll just be a cleaner job. I also need to put it on the car lift so I can weld the bottom side of the front floorboard. So I'm going to finish this up with the exception of that and that. And this will be done by tomorrow, my hopes. Like I said, I forgot to buy the plastic filler when I was out picking up my pew-pew. So that kind of not great, but whatever. It is what it is. All right, I'm calling tonight done. It is Saturday. I'm hoping to have this done by Sunday. Let's see. Thanks. You guys all have fun doing your thing. I'll do my thing. Have a good week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.